My prayer is that you sense how much this Creator loves you.